Just crazy. Like, how you go from biting my back to not speaking?
And just like that, poof, Lola's gone.
Hi everybody, it's China Brianna. Happy New Year. I hope your year is off to a great start. In this video, I will be showing you guys how I got this look using only drugstore products. Yes, I did this beat with drugstore products, affordable products. Okay. Whew, so eyebrows are done. Remember, they sisters, cousins, or some shit like that. They're not twins. I don't know. They're related. Just know that, okay? Just know that. We're gonna get into this shit right quick. Real quick. Alright. At first I wasn't gonna talk. I was gonna like do a voiceover, so I could just go real fast. You know what I'm saying? But we're gonna get into it like this. So today we're only using drugstore products as much as I can. I'm gonna start off with Maybelline. That's how you know I use this shit, okay? Maybelline 340, because it's winter time and I look light skinned, and that's okay. I'm tired of y'all calling me light skinned, but that's okay. Oh my god, I need to stop talking. It's already been a fucking minute. Okay, I'm about to just start, and then once I get my foundation on, then we're gonna talk. We're gonna talk about this shit that's happening to me. So y'all, my sneaky link ghosts me. I miss him. I miss that man. I loved him. How do I say goodbye to what we had? I know, like, people putting on their concealer different nowadays. I know they doing like this, you know. But baby, the girls don't have time today. I haven't used LA Girl in so long. Ooh, am I supposed to put that there? The girls are trying to get a new technique. It's the fact that I'm using my camera as a freaking mirror. I know this like lifts the eye or whatever. But yeah, I don't know why he ghosted me. It was all good a week ago. You know what I'm saying? But life goes on. It goes on. And you gotta keep moving. Keep on moving, don't stop, no. Keep on moving. It's weird, but it might look like something. It's just crazy. Like, how you go from biting my back to not speaking? It's okay. Oh, yeah, all right. But on the other hand, 2022, well, Happy New Year's. 2022, I am looking forward to new experiences, new opportunities, more blessings, better decisions. And I pray you all have the same thing coming your way. I believe if you stay focused, everything that you deserve will come your way. There's no one that can stop your greatness but you. So I'm not an expert when it comes to makeup, but I do know if you want a good face, you really need to take your time. Really, really be patient with yourself. And that's the way it's going to come out fine, honey. Okay? That's crazy. I do not like, I wasn't a fan of a light under eye, but I'm liking it. I don't know if it's the lighting or what, but I really, really like it. What I like to use to contour is this Juvias Place palette and blush, believe it or not. Yeah, look ghetto, but I use this right here. I don't know the color, like the name of the color, because I lost the thing. But I use this color to contour, and sometimes I use this for blush, or I use another palette for blush. But it's a Juvias Place palette, the berries palette. I use that. This shirt is so irritating.